at this point in time, what we're doing is we are consulting and trying to really hear from the community and from the organizations that really work with victims, with sexual offenses victims, so that they can help us identify where the law really does not provide for the situation on the ground. So far, what we have proposed is based on the first draft that we've drafted is really based on drafts on acts that we saw in the various countries in the region, as well as Ms. Dorla indicated, the CARICOM model bill on sexual offenses. So that's what we are starting to work with. In terms of that, we are considering the position on marital rape in Belize. We are considering the deficiencies with respect to the offense of sexual assault and rape. We're also discussing possible gender neutrality of our laws and pushing for gender neutrality of our laws. So this is the first step, and this form is really what is helping us to identify the deficiencies in the laws.
What are some of the concerns that the participants had here today?
Well, they had many concerns. A lot of the concerns had to do with the registry, the sexual offenders notification registry, and how it would work, how the acts are really interacting with each other, because they're two separate instruments, legal instruments that touch and concern that, which is why we're trying to establish a comprehensive act. One act that deals with the law on sexual offenses in Belize. They also had concerns about the treatment of juvenile children offenders, not only as victims but as offenders, and how we are really trying to carve out the law on how to address them. What are the appropriate sanctions? What are the services, like Ms. Dorla indicated, what are the services that we should really be providing, and what we can do to ensure that in the bill that we present, all of those things are included.